welcome to my channel. This is me Adira. In this video I'll be showing you the 2022 planner and calendar I ordered. So actually for the past 2 years I've been using Alicia Souza's planner, but for 2022 I bought the Ink Buckets planner. I thought it would be a change and a completely new thing for me. I absolutely love her paintings. So these are some of the freebies I got along with the planner: a cute little floral ruled notebook. Then we have some sticky notes. To be honest, I have no idea whether I'll be using these sticky notes, but I really hope I will. Fingers crossed for that. So these sticky notes, it's in different sizes from smaller to medium size and bigger ones. So I'm really looking forward to use these sticky notes. Next is sticker book. I guess sticker books are like everyone's favorite. It is one of my favorites. Especially you can use them for decorating your craft projects, or maybe if you're sending some parcels like packages, you can just stick them. It will add more beauty to a package. That is what I believe. This one is like, it has so many varieties. There's florals, animals, then self-love kind of quotes, travel related love, and many other themes too. I'm really looking forward to use the floral ones because I absolutely love florals. And the final freebie is this tote bag. I almost forgot to show the tote bag while I was filming the sticker videos, but finally I remembered and added this clip. So anyways, it is white in color and has a beautiful design of fruits and bees. I'm not sure which fruit it is, but the illustration looks so beautiful. And now for the planner, I bought hardbound ones for a change, because for the past 2 years I've been using the spiral ones. This planner, it comes in this superb sturdy box which we can reuse it again. Now let us take a moment to appreciate the hand painted illustration. It is just stunning. I absolutely love it. Also we have monthly tabs, which is really good because it is superb easy to navigate right from one month to the other. Now let's get into the planner. In the first page, of course, we have a space to write our name. Next, there's a small note for 2022. Then we have years at a glance. In the next page, we have describe the year that was, that is 21. And in the other side, we have plan the year that will be. So here you can just jot down all the plans that you have for the coming year, that is 22. I really liked how they have mentioned what to do under each title, because sometimes it gets confused. Now anyways, in the next page we have making my terms. This is something unique, I guess, because it's like an agreement with ourselves and we do have the space to sign. Next we have a beautiful saying: with the new day comes new strength and new thoughts. Then there's a vision board and thoughts become things. Now in the next side we have what's new normal with you. It's something like it's something new that you want to start, like for example, like they have mentioned waking up early, maybe doing yoga or something. You can just note down that in the right hand side. In the next pages we have the space to set goals and make plans. I really loved how they have divided, like given space for each topic. For example, work goals, personal, health, financial, relationship goals, and other goals. And same way for the plans, they have divided it for like top priority, habits to adopt, habits to cut, new skills to learn, do more of, do less of, etc. So in the same way, there is let's set goals and make plans for each month, that is from January till December, and there is a lot of space to note down things. Now next we have year at a glance, and we can note down 31 things. I'm not sure how I'm going to use it, but I really have a good feeling that it is going to be useful. Now next page we have birthdays, etc. We can also note down anniversary date or maybe any important dates you want. And I really loved how it is in like one space where we can check when is the date and everything rather than adding it to each month. Now next one you have notes, and here is a beautiful hand painted illustration of a flower. So for each month there is a flower. Now let's get into the January month. So first of all we can see a calendar page, which is one of our favorites in a planner because it's where I note important things. We also have the space to note down things. Next we have for this month, that is intentions and agendas and to do. Also we have new things to try. Now next we have top 3 priorities, and then tracker, habit tracker, which is really helpful. Then the next side we have I'm looking forward to, important dates, notes, doodles, expenses, etc. And then comes the main pages. In all the months, the day starts with previous week. I hope that makes sense. For example, for January, it starts from 27th December, that is Monday, then 28th December. I guess it's like that to get a perfect finish, or else the order might get mixed up. Then for each week, we have weekly reflection. So here's a space to note down something memorable. Then weekly expenses, give thanks. And the next topic I really like, that is carry forward. So something that we have not completed in the previous week, we can note it down and then complete it in the coming week. The next page we have this weekly plan, work goals, personal goals, meal plan. To be honest, I won't be using the meal plan, so most probably I'm going to use it as a YouTube plan or Instagram plan or something else. Next we have top priorities and then shopping list. Just like the weekly reflections, we also have the monthly reflection page here, where we can note down my goals and progress, big challenges I overcame, my pursuit of passion and happiness, setbacks I encountered, and my renewed resolution for tomorrow. And then we have 2 pages for notes. In the end of the planner, we have a total of 5 note pages and 4 sticker pages. I really love the fact that the sticker pages are kept towards the last because it is much more convenient. And then finally we have the pocket page, so you can keep the bills or letters or something else in the pocket page. I think I almost forgot to say the planner has 2 simple ribbon type bookmarks, which is quite useful because one, maybe you can keep it near the tracker page, the habit tracker page, and the next one for the weekly pages. So yeah, that's it for 2022 the Ink Bucket planner. So for 2022 calendar, I ordered the Happy Calendar illustrated by Happy Cubes. So as the name suggests, the theme is of course happy. So I got a freebie, there is a fridge magnet. You can do hard things, there's a quote written on it. I absolutely loved it. It's so cute. I also ordered a plant a parent magnet because I'm a plant lover. Just look at the cute thank you notes. It is again illustrated by them. And now here's a calendar. The whole calendar is illustrated in the theme happy, as I mentioned before, by Happy Cubes. Actually, I didn't have any plan to buy a calendar for 2022. But when your craft best friend launches their first ever calendar, how can I not buy one? And I bought this calendar not just because she is my friend, but also it is very beautiful. So if you want this calendar, you can check out their website. I'll just mention the link in the description part. So for each month it has positive quotes and also it's in different colors. So it's not just a happy calendar, but it is also vibrant and positive calendar. Also there is a note section for each month. I absolutely loved all the illustrations. The papers are so smooth, the patterns, the designs, everything is so beautiful. In the end, we also have all the months in a glance. And yeah, I forgot to mention that this is a desk calendar. So if you're looking forward to buy a desk calendar, please do check out their website. So yeah, I can't wait to use both the calendar and planner for 2022. I hope you had an amazing year. If not, it's okay. We can make the best out of 2022. I have shared all the links in description. Just in case if you want to buy them, you can just click the link and then buy. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you so much. It really means a lot. So bye bye.